A failed earn-in repayment usually happens when your linked bank account doesn't have enough available funds, or when the app can't successfully process the debit through your bank. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify why the repayment failed, how to fix your bank connection, and what steps prevent it from happening again. Start by checking your linked bank account balance right away. If your balance is too low, or your funds are pending from recent transactions, the repayment can fail automatically. Next, open the Earnin app and look at the repayment status. If it shows failed, it usually means the debit request was rejected by your bank. Go into your bank account activity and check for any attempted withdrawal from Earnin. If you see it listed as declined or returned, your bank blocked the transaction. This can happen if your bank has fraud protection rules that limit automatic debits from third-party apps. Next, confirm that your bank connection inside Earnin is still active. A broken or expired connection can prevent repayment from processing correctly. If needed, reconnect your bank using your current login credentials inside the app. Avoid using old passwords or outdated banking information because that will cause another failure. Also check for any overdraft protection settings or spending limits in your bank account. Some banks block payments that look like recurring external transfers when limits are enabled. If the repayment failed because of insufficient funds, add money to your account as soon as possible. Then wait for Earnin to retry the charge or follow the app's instructions for manual repayment. Avoid repeatedly retrying payments in a short period of time. Multiple failed attempts can cause additional restrictions on your account or bank connection. If your bank shows the transaction as completed, but Earnin still shows it as failed, wait a short period for syncing. Sometimes updates between Earnin and your bank are delayed. If the issue continues after funds are available and your bank connection is active, contact Earnin support. Provide your account email, repayment amount, date of failure, and any error messages shown in the app. Those details help support determine whether the issue is on Earnin's side or your bank's side. To sum it up, check your balance, verify the failed transaction in your bank, reconnect your account if needed, and contact support if the repayment still won't process. Next, open your bank app and confirm whether the Earnin withdrawal was declined or still pending before trying anything else. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Earnin tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.